Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to discuss the nomenclature of the welding electrode which we use on ships. So for example, we are using the welding electrode of Unitor. So let's take the example of the Unitor welding electrode nomenclature. This is the Unitor welding electrode example which we are normally using on board ships. It looks like this, and it is having the code LHR320N, and it has a nomenclature of E6013 in the American Welding Society, which is normally called EWS. And we have a number of electrode nomenclature as 6013, 7024, and etc. So the surveyor in the orals asks us about what is the meaning of E6013. For this explanation, we have to go to the AWS website. The AWS website details the meaning of E6013. So let me read out for that. The prefix E designates the arc welding electrode, means it is an arc welding, which designates E. And the first two digits of a 4-digit number, the first two digits, which are, for example, E6013, it is having 60, and the first 3 digits of the 5-digit number, here it is E6013, which is 4-digit number, hence the first 2 digits are 60. And suppose it has been some 5-digit number, suppose 60131, then the first 3 digits, they indicate the minimum tensile strength in PSI. For example, E6010 is a 60,000 PSI tensile strength, while E10018 designates 1100 PSI tensile strength electrode. So if suppose it is 6010, then it is 60,000. The first 2 digits multiplied by 10,000 will give you the minimum PSI tensile strength. Next code says 601. The 1 number is given by the position. It reads the next to the last digit indicates the position. 1 designates all position electrode. 2 designate for the flat and horizontal positions only, whereas the 4 indicate the electrode that can be used for the flat, horizontal, vertical, down and overhead. For simplicity, 1 is for the all position, 2 is for the flat and horizontal, and 4 indicates flat, horizontal, vertical, down and overhead. And the last two digits here are 10. The 10 is a combination of 2 things, coating and current. So we have the detailed explanation of the last 2 digits. For example, the digit 1 to 8 is defined as type of coating and the welding current in AC or DC. For example, here it is number 10. So type of coating is 1, which is high cellulose potassium, correct? And the 0 is DC plus. So the nomenclature of this electrode, which is E6010, is an arc welding electrode. 60 defines it has tensile strength of 60,000 PSI. The next number 1 speaks about the position. 1 is the all position electrode, whereas the last 2 digits are type of coating and current, which you can find from this table. This is the nomenclature as per the AWS. AWS is the American Welding Society, which we are normally following on board ships. So to summarize it, we can say, suppose this is 6013 electrode, which we have earlier discussed on Unitor. E is the arc welding electrode. 6 gives the 60 is the 60,000 PSI tensile strength, which is the minimum tensile strength. 1 gives the all position welding position, and 3 gives the power supply, coating, polarity and the type of penetration. Hope this electrode nomenclature is well understood by all of us.